Yo. Yo, are you okay? Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oof. You okay, Yoshi? Is that your name? Yeah, my name is Yoshi. I'm the first spawn of Yoshi. Whoa, cool. Sounds like you were knocked out. What happened? I don't know. I fell and got knocked out for some reason. I was meeting with Princess Peach. Princess Peach? I've been looking for her forever. What happened to her? I have no idea. Great. This stinks. It's okay. No, it's not. Princess Peach, this is the second time her being captured today. I need to go catch her. See you later, Yoshi. Yoshi. What do I do now? Yoshi. Yoshi. Oh, what the hell? Hey, motherfucker. What are you doing? Why are you laying on the ground, fricker? Oh, well, whatever. Sorry. To be continued.